Hey my loves, I'm back with these buffalo hot wings with homemade blue cheese sauce. Y'all, these were a crowd pleaser. Everyone raved about these. I'm gonna show y'all how easy this was to put together. Let's jump right in. In a small mixing bowl, add mayo and sour cream. Mix that until it's well blended. I will have the exact measurements in the description box below. Then add the whole milk, lemon juice, and spices. Mix until everything is well incorporated. You can substitute buttermilk if you want for the milk. Then fold in the blue cheese crumbles, cover and set in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so all the flavors can mesh. If you don't like your blue cheese chunky, you can put the sauce in a blender and blend until smooth. In a heavy saucepan on medium-low heat, add 1 cup of hot sauce, 1½ teaspoons of rice vinegar, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Mix until the butter is melted and everything is well incorporated. Then add the spices. Everything will be listed in the description box below. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey, mix until well blended. Set the sauce aside while we work on the wings. I'm going to show you guys how I get my wings extra crispy without using a wet batter. Save your buttermilk for some biscuit, guys. In a medium bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm going to season that with garlic salt, onion powder, and paprika. The exact measurements will be in the description box below. Next, I'm going to season the wings with a blend of spices. The exact measurements and ingredients will be in the description box below. Toss until all of those spices stick to the wings. Add the flour mixture and toss until all of the mixture stick to the wings. The wings are now ready to be fried. Fry the wings in oil that has been preheated to 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Add the chicken to a bowl and pour the buffalo sauce over the wings. Y'all, these were everything. They were tangy, spicy, and oh so good. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Remember guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.